Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Stumble Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Stumble Guys game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, in order to change your default name that you have been given, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from your profile page, you can tap on the pen icon alongside your current username. And you will now be allowed to change your username for free if this is your first time. Just tap on the given box and type in your desired username. Then you can tap on the change button and now your username will be changed right away. After this, if you try to change your username again, you will need to spend some gems in order to be able to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Stumble Guys game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.